What I'm actually seeing in my goggles here. So on the left, you have the N on the bottom there, which is normal mode. And then you have the height, 193 feet. And above that, the miles per hour I'm going. And then the distance. And then you have the little battery symbol, which is the battery power left in the drone. And the other ones are the signal strength. And the one that says the MPS on the bottom that's falling is the strength of the signal going back to the goggles, your video signal. You're seeing a 1080p signal here, so it's pretty good. But as it falls, I'm going through these rocks here. The rock is blocking the signal, so it goes down. It's going down to 10, 7, 5, 4, 2. So I just about lose it here where it just completely just almost blanks out on me. So, but luckily it comes right back out when I come through there. So thanks for watching.